What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding a portfolio to your Upwork account. A well-crafted portfolio is essential for freelancers as it showcases your skills and previous work, helping you attract potential clients. By following the steps, you'll learn how to create a portfolio that effectively highlights your expertise. First, go to the Upwork website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner, enter your credentials, and access your account. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or name at the top right corner, select Profile from the drop-down menu, scroll down to your profile page until you find the Portfolio section. Click on the Add Portfolio button or link to create a new portfolio item. Fill in the required fields like title, description, and category. You can also add tags to help clients find your work more easily. Click on the Upload Files button to attach relevant files that showcases your work, like images and documents. Ensure that the files are high quality and relevant to the project description. Decide whether you want your profile item to be public or private. Public means potential clients can see your work, while private restricts visibility to only you. Review all the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. Click the Save button to add the portfolio item to your profile. Adding a portfolio to your Upwork account is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your visibility and attractiveness to potential clients. Take the time to showcase your best work and remember to keep your portfolio updated with new projects. This will help you stand out in a competitive freelance marketplace. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.